Hi guys, I'm Allie.
I'm Adriana.
I'm Anna.
We're going to show you guys some math problems that might show up on the ACT just to give you guys a better insight as to what to expect on the actual test.
On the ACT, the math problems are going to range from easy, starting with the beginning questions, and then range to really hard.
In these following videos, we're going to give examples of some of the easier problems and some of the harder problems.
So the first example that we have here is the function y varies directly as x for all real numbers in the xy coordinate plane. Which of the following could be the graph of y? So when you're first looking at this problem, the first thing you want to recognize is that it says the function of y varies directly. This means that as y increases, x is going to increase at a proportionate rate, and it must be a straight line. So all of these are straight, but graphs B and D, they don't increase proportionally. C and A do, so you can go ahead and eliminate choices B and D. Now, because they must be straight and they must increase proportionally, you know that the axes must also be proportional. So this is why graph A will be the right choice as it goes through the origin.
Hi guys, I'm going to give you an example of a geometry problem because geometry is one of the harder subjects on the math portion. So in this problem, it says in quadrilateral PQRS above, sides PS and QR are parallel for what value of x? So to approach this problem, you're going to look at the values that are already given, and then you're going to compare the values that you want to find. And then in a quadrilateral, the angles that are opposite each other are going to be the same. So in this case, x is going to equal 110 degrees, and y is going to equal 70 degrees. But the problem is asking only for what value of x, so in this case, the right answer would be D, 110.
Okay, so for the next example, we're going to do more of like a basic algebra, and I'm going to work this problem out with you guys if you want to follow along. So it says if 6x plus 3 is equal to 12 plus 3x, then what does x equal? So we're going to start by manipulating the expression to get all x's on one side of the equation and all numbers on the other side. So it'll be 6x, and then you're going to subtract 3x is equal to 12 minus 3. So when you do this math, then you're going to end up getting 3x is equal to 9. Now we're going to try and solve for the variable itself. So we're going to divide each side by 3, because what we do on one side of the equation we have to do on the other, and then this will give you x is equal to 3, and that's your final answer. Thank you guys so much for watching this math segment. I hope these problems were a big help for you in your ACT studies. Be sure to watch the rest of our videos on reading, writing, and science. Thanks.